Hello and welcome to Baking on a Budget. Now this time what we're making is this absolutely delicious peach cobbler. A peach cobbler recipe, very simple to make, absolutely delicious. We've got everything we need to make it over here. I'm going to run through and tell you exactly what we've got and how much this has cost. To begin with, we have 2 tins of peaches which cost me £2.16. We got 80 grams of butter, which was 62 pence. I've got 100 grams of sugar at 12 pence. We've got 100 grams of flour at 10 pence. And we got 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder at about 5 pence. And we've got 180 ml of milk at 10 pence. So if we add all of that up, it comes to £3.15. We're going to get 8 servings out of that, making each serving about 40 pence. Okay. This is a very simple recipe to do, so let's get to it. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is just strain some of the syrup off these peaches, because they are quite syrupy, and then we'll get them in that bowl. All right, that's the other tin. Get them in there. And what I'm going to do with that is just add a little bit of that syrup back in there. Not a lot, just about that much. Very good. And to the peaches, I'm just going to add about a tablespoon of this sugar. And then we'll just mix them up like that. Beautiful. Simple as. Right, put those to one side. Now I'm going to make the cobbler in this enamel dish. Anything of this sort of size would work. What we're going to do is put the butter in there, and then I'm going to stick this in the oven and just let that butter melt. And whilst that is melting, I'm going to add the sugar into this bowl. I'm going to add the flour into the bowl. Without spilling too much of it. And then I'm going to put in 1.5 teaspoons of this baking powder. Right, we want to combine all of that. And now we want to add the milk to make this into a nice smooth sort of pouring batter. May need a little bit more milk in there, I'm not sure, but we'll just see how that goes. Just a little bit at a time will hopefully prevent it going too lumpy. Okay, that's what we want. We want like a pouring batter. And that there is looking just fine. As I say, this is a really quick recipe. Comes together very quickly and will be delicious. Right, we'll leave that for a moment. Alrighty, the butter has melted. This is good. Now what we're going to do is take this batter, just get rid of me whisk, and we're going to pour the batter over the butter. We're not going to mix this in or anything like that. We're just simply pouring it over the butter. Very good. That done, we can now take our peaches and get them in there. As I say, it might not take all of these peaches, so we may have to eat the others just with some cream on. There we are. That will do it. And there's a couple left. I'll just have those, as I say, with a little bit of cream. Now this is going into the oven at 180 degrees centigrade. And it's going to go in there for about 40 to 45 minutes. So let's get it in. Okay, and 40 minutes later, look at this. This looks absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to get stuck into that. But it's going to have to cool down quite a bit. Still bubbling, fresh out of the oven. Going to let that cool down, then we're going to taste it. Look at this, peach cobbler. And I put a little bit of homemade ice cream on the side of it there. There is a link in the description below of how to make this delicious ice cream. And I've just drizzled that with a little raspberry sauce. This is going to be fantastic. Now, let's get some off. That is a beautiful spoonful of food. That is superb. That is a superb dessert. And so simple to make. Such a simple dessert to make. Absolutely delicious. You will not be disappointed if you try this. It's sweet and tangy with the syrup from the peaches in there. A beautiful bit of sponge coming through it. I could eat a lot of that. And this serving, it's about 40 pence. It's a little bit more with the ice cream, obviously, but for the cobbler itself, it's about 40 pence a serving. It's 40p well spent. And as I say, so simple to put together. What did that take to put together? It's no more than 5 minutes. It's about a 5-minute dish to put together. Then in the oven for a while, you'll thoroughly enjoy it. Now obviously you could make this with fresh peaches if you wished. I use the tin peaches, just it's an easy option. And the tin peaches are normally nice and ripe and ready to go. And they suit this recipe really well. So there we are, another very simple recipe, absolutely delicious, well worth a try. Can I say, if you enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more delicious, very easy to make and very inexpensive dishes like this in the future, please do consider subscribing to the channel. In the meantime, I'm going to finish off this peach cobbler, and it's not going to take me long at all. I thank you very much for watching.